Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how we can easily set a voicemail by recording your voice. So in order to do that, what you have to do is open the caller application on your iPhone. Once you're in the caller application, you can see the option voicemail on the bottom right corner. Click on it, and here you can see the voicemail options. And now on the top right corner you can see the option greeting, so I'll click on it. And now you can see the option default and custom. So if you want to set the default voicemail that says like your call has been forwarded to voicemail, please record your voice, that thing. So if you want that, you can just click on default. And if you want a custom one, you can do is click on the custom one. And now you can see there's an option called record. So if you click on record, you can just say whatever you want to say, and once you have recorded, you can see an option called play. You can click on play and verify that if that's good. So once that's done, you can click on save. So that's how you can easily set a voicemail, like a custom voicemail, to your iPhone. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.